Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to share with you today's fascinating story about a discovery that's making waves in the scientific community. As we explore the vast expanse of our ocean, we're constantly reminded of the mysteries that still await us beneath the surface. For decades, scientists have believed that sharks were silent creatures, unable to produce sounds like their counterparts on land. But, as it often does, nature has a way of surprising us. A recent study published in the Royal Society Open Science Journal has revealed that at least one species of shark, the hound shark, also known as the rig, is capable of making clicking noises. Let's dive deeper into this remarkable finding. Carolyn Nieder, a researcher at Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, was studying the hearing range of sharks when she noticed something peculiar. While handling the sharks during experiments, she heard metallic clicking sounds coming from the animals themselves. Initially, she thought it might be an anomaly, but as the phenomenon persisted, she realized that this could be a groundbreaking discovery. To confirm her findings, Nieder and her team brought 10 juvenile rigs into the lab and placed them in tanks with sensitive sound recording instruments. The results were astonishing. All of the sharks made clicking noises when handled gently. It's believed that these sounds are produced by the shark snapping its jaws together, possibly using its flattened teeth to create a sharp noise. But what's the purpose of this newfound ability? Is it a form of defense against predators, or perhaps a hunting strategy to disorient prey? The researchers speculate that it could be either, and further study is needed to fully understand the significance of this behavior. As we continue to explore the depths of our ocean, we're reminded that there's still so much to learn about the creatures that call it home. This discovery highlights the importance of continued research into the biology and behavior of sharks, many of which are facing steeply declining populations due to human activities. The implications of this finding are far-reaching, with potential applications in monitoring shark populations and understanding their behavior. As Erin Rice from Cornell University notes, this is a long overlooked, but potentially really important area of shark biology. And so, we're left with more questions than answers, but that's what makes the natural world so captivating. The mystery, the intrigue, and the endless possibilities for discovery are what drive us to continue exploring and learning about our planet. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David, and we're glad you're joining us again as we explore the fascinating world of nature. Today, we've got a story that's all about discovery, curiosity, and the importance of citizen science. You know, sometimes the most remarkable discoveries can happen in our own backyards, literally. That's exactly what happened to Sajiwa Wiyawira and his family in Sri Lanka. During a rainy day, they stumbled upon something quite unusual in their garden, a peculiar-looking mushroom with a reddish color and a bulbous base. As it turns out, this was no ordinary mushroom. It was a species of stinkhorn mushroom called Mutinus bambucinus, which had not been seen in Sri Lanka for over 100 years. Yes, you heard that right. 100 years. The last recorded sighting of this species was back in 1919. Now, you might be wondering how something like this could go unnoticed for so long. Well, it's a great example of how much we still have to learn about the natural world, even in our own neighborhoods. Fungal diversity, in particular, is an area that's often overlooked, and yet, fungi play such a vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. The rediscovery of Mutinus bambucinus has sparked a lot of interest among scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. In fact, since the story broke, at least 5 other sightings of this species have been reported from different locations in Sri Lanka. It's likely that this mushroom has been thriving in many areas, but it took the curiosity of one family to bring it back into the spotlight. This story highlights the importance of citizen science and how ordinary people can contribute to our understanding of the natural world. By sharing their findings with experts, the Wiyawira family has helped to advance our knowledge of Sri Lanka's fungal flora and has inspired others to do the same. As we continue to face the challenges of climate change, habitat loss, and biodiversity decline, it's more important than ever that we support research into fungi and other often overlooked groups. By doing so, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life that surrounds us and work towards preserving the natural world for future generations. And that's not all. The discovery of Mutinus bambusinus also serves as a reminder that there's still so much to explore and discover in our world. So, keep looking, keep exploring, and who knows what secrets you might uncover in your own backyard. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I hope you've been enjoying our journey through the great outdoors so far today. As we wrap up this episode, I want to take you on a fascinating exploration of the secret lives of elephants. You might have heard about the incredible migrations these gentle giants undertake, but have you ever wondered what drives them to choose their paths? A recent study published in the Journal of Animal Ecology has shed some light on this very question. Researchers from the University of Oxford and the German Center for Integrative Biodiversity research used GPS tracking data from 157 African elephants in northern Kenya to understand the key drivers behind their movements. And what they found is truly remarkable. It turns out that elephants are meticulous planners, carefully balancing effort and energy efficiency on their long journeys. They strongly prefer landscapes with lower movement costs, avoiding rough terrain and steep slopes whenever possible. In fact, about 94% of the elephants in the study avoided such difficult landscapes. They also actively select areas with higher vegetation productivity, with 93% indicating a preference for more resource-rich environments. But that's not all. Water sources play a crucial role in their decision-making process as well. While some elephants will stay close to water, others will roam further away, indicating that their movement choices are complex and influenced by multiple factors. The researchers used a modeling method called Enerscape to analyze the tracking data, which estimates the energy costs of movement based on the animal's body mass and the slope of the terrain. By integrating these estimates with satellite data on vegetation productivity and water availability, they built detailed energy landscapes that help explain the elephant's decisions. So, what does this mean for conservation efforts? Understanding how elephants move through their habitats is crucial for designing better protected areas and migration corridors, reducing conflict with humans, and preserving these incredible creatures. As study co-author Fritz Vollrath so aptly put it, save energy whenever possible, a mantra that we could all learn from. As we conclude today's Nature Walk, I hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the intricate lives of elephants and the importance of preserving their habitats. Remember, every step we take, every decision we make, has an impact on the natural world around us. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.